Hello, little stars. Welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, we have a fun story to read together. Are you excited to listen and learn new words?
Yes, Mom, I love stories. Let's begin our reading adventure. Today's story name is The Puppy Who Wanted to Roar.